So guys, today I'm going to be answering 10 questions from the comments. Hey guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Jovou. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video I'm going to be answering your JHERI Curl question via the comments. Okay, so most of you asked me questions mostly on my JHERI Curl videos. I'm going to be answering those questions that you asked via the comments, and I replied. I know that most persons, they don't actually go through the comments, they just watch the video, and once they're done with the video, either they subscribe or they like or they dislike or they drop a comment. But some persons go through the comments to just see, okay, what's going on here. But for those of you who don't really go through the comments, you prefer watching videos, there's so much. So I'm not going to make this video long. It's going to be a series on my channel. I'm going to be having part 1, part 2 and all of that. So any new comments, I'm going to be answering them as time goes on. So stay tuned. If this is what you're interested in, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down, okay? Share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. No further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, I have all your questions and answers in my notebook, and I don't think I'll be able to like screenshot the question via comment and then put it here, but if I can, I'll do it. So I'm going to be answering those questions now. These are the ones I've gone through, I've replied them, and if I've not replied your comment or your question concerning JHERI Curl videos, don't worry, I will answer it when I have the chance, probably in a video, okay, maybe part 1 or part 2. So guys, today I'm going to be answering 10 questions from the comments. This is part 1, so part 2, part 3, they're coming out soon. I'll be answering questions there, so stay tuned. This is going to be a series on my channel, so just stay tuned for that. Just keep dropping your question. I'm not a professional, okay? I'm not a hair professional concerning JHERI Curl, but I answer you guys' question based on my experience, my hair, and how my hair is. So please don't take my words for it. Don't just take my words for it, okay? Your hair texture might be different from mine. Your hair growth journey and all of that can be different. So I'm just going to be answering these questions based on my own understanding and from professionals. I ask professionals, okay, from people who do JHERI Curl. When I go there to do, I ask some questions, and that's what I kind of give it back. I'm also going to be putting polls on my community tab, or just like something post there, so you guys will drop your questions. If you have more questions on JHERI Curl, drop it down. Guys, I'm going to be looking down my notebook. Someone asked, what is the name of the kit? I use Hollywood. Okay, I use the Leisure Curl coconut oil kit. This is it. This is the kit I use. Leisure Curl coconut oil. Okay, this is it. This is one I used 3 months ago. Today is 15th of April 2021. Okay, I'm going to give you guys update as time goes on, so just stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, I don't only post JHERI Curl videos on my channel, I post other things, vlogs, lifestyle and things like that, YouTube tips and tricks, and things you guys are not interested in, but I'll still show you. I'll post what I actually created this channel for, but I'm still going to give you guys JHERI Curl videos. Okay, so that's the kit I use, and I got another. At that time I got this for 3,500 in Port Harcourt, yeah, at Chuba, for those of you asking. Okay, I intend on going to get my JHERI Curl done today. Yesterday my mom helped me get the market, so I intend on going to get my JHERI Curl done. Everything is in here, so stay tuned. I JHERI Curled my hair for the 2nd time. Okay, you stay tuned for the vlog how I'm going to like redo this my JHERI Curl. So just stay tuned for the video. Okay, hit the subscribe button. How long do coil last? Okay, from this, well, it depends on how you maintain your coils. Okay, it depends on how you maintain. If you are taking good care of it, applying your coil activator as time goes on, when it's needed on your hair, do that. Okay, it lasts as long as you maintain it well, but after 3 months, hair should be due for you to go redo it. My hair is, I think it's more than 3 months now, 3 months and some weeks. So now is the right time to redo my coils, to redo my JHERI Curl. Did it burn when you got your hair done? Like, did it burn your hair when they were adding the stuff? No, it didn't. Okay, the guy who did my hair, he didn't allow it to like stay long, because I still want my natural hair to transition back So even if I'm trying to like keep my hair, my afro and all of that, I didn't burn my hair because I didn't let it stay in. What's the first step? Please, you guys should go watch that JHERI Curl video, okay, how I got my hair to this. Go watch the video and then stay tuned for the part 2. Okay, the first step is to apply the relaxer. Apply this. Once you apply this, you go in with the coil booster and the neutralizer, but you put in the coil booster first, then let it stay in, and then you wash it out with lukewarm water. Then you apply neutralizer, you do the same thing, wash it out with lukewarm water, and then you remove your rollers and your coils are there. Then you apply the gel that comes with it, which is the coil activator that comes with leisure coil. It's inside. They are going to put this for you inside. When you get the kit, you get this inside. Everything is inside. Okay, so go watch the video so you understand it more better. Can you put braids in your hair if your hair is JHERI Curl? Yes, but you have to wait for some time. Okay, just wait for, at least rock your coils first now. What are you in a hurry for? Rock your coils first before you think of making your hair. Like for me, I let my JHERI Curl stay for like a month before I thought of making my hair, and then I did the butterfly locks. That was 2 months thereabout. I did butterfly locks, and since then, after I got my butterfly locks off, I haven't. I just pack my hair, style my hair, and go wherever I want to, and slay just like this. At least rock your coils first before you make your hair. Just let it in for 2-3 weeks, then you can think of making your hair. Once you lose your hair, your coils will sit pop if you have good coil activators. Okay? Does it mean you relax it before coiling? I would like to try this. Yes, I use a relaxer like I said that came with kit and coil booster and neutral. How long will this last like this? I think 3 months or more. Whenever you're ready, but don't let it stay in. Don't let your hair to be too due to go get a retouch, to go get your hair done again. Don't let it stay for a long time. Okay, and don't let it be too early for you to redo it. I hope you get. When do you shampoo your hair? I shampoo my hair when I realize that it has dirt in it or smell. So I was just like, okay, now is the time. But I don't overwash my hair. I don't shampoo my hair every week or every 2 weeks, because the shampoo I use makes my hair soft, and I already have soft hair. So applying it all the time can make my hair cut or break. So I let my hair stay for like 3 weeks or sometimes a month before I wash it. Okay, so you just know your hair type. If you use gel more often, like eco styling your hair all the time, I think you need to wash it, because if you don't wash it, you have like all these white particles on your hair and it will look good, it will look neat. At least what's the length of your hair before doing this? If you watched my updated wash and go routine that I did in school, if you watch that video, before I record my hair reaches my nose, but now that my hair is JHERI Curl, that my hair is growing, now my hair reaches my mouth. Yeah, that's where it reaches. So just go check the video. I'll link it up in the iCards, and it will be in my description as well. You can want get this leisure coil in the States. Yes, you can get it in the States. Okay, like Amazon, there are other shopping websites there. You can make orders and it will be delivered to you. So just check. I don't live in the States, I'm in Nigeria, so just check this website or shop. You can find it there. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any more questions concerning JHERI Curl, be sure to drop it down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to answer you via the comments and via a video. So just drop your questions down, and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share to your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel for more hair videos, YouTube tips and tricks, makeup tutorials, vlogs, and pretty much other things you guys are not interested in, but I'll still show you. So just stay tuned for all of that. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.